This is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make a peanut butter chocolate smoothie. What I do is I buy the unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk, and I freeze it in ice cube trays like this, okay? And half a tray is what you need to make one smoothie. So we're going to put about 10 or 11 of these in a tray, and then we're going to add 1 cup of almond milk. This is how you get the smoothie texture, okay guys? And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Sweetie, a tablespoon of cocoa, and a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. And that's it guys, we're gonna blend it and enjoy. And this is how you eat healthy. You can drink this every night before you go to bed and lose weight while you're doing it. And it tastes delicious. We'll be right back. Alrighty guys, see how quick that was? And that's how all my recipes are. If they're not fast like that, I won't even post them. Look at that. Look how delicious that is. Let me get a spatula. This is probably our biggest seller, even though I'm obsessed with some of my other smoothies. But there you go guys, peanut butter chocolate. Come see us, we're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. If you don't live nearby, you can visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Be sure to like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. Join the Healthy Treats Market support group. And if you want to see a bunch more videos like this of real easy keto-friendly items, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's also Healthy Treats Market. Thanks for watching. God bless you.